what I generated using the TikTok ads. That's it, months. Don't say I did not leak the secret before the prices goes high like Facebook and Instagram. So one thing that you don't know is that currently Nigerians can now promote their TikTok videos using the TikTok ads. Yeah, you heard me right. Can someone clap for them? And do you know one good thing about this is that you can actually get 4,000 plus views with just 1,000 naira. It is that cheap. It is cheap because they are in their testing phase. So that is why you who is watching this video and you have TikTok account, you're a creator on TikTok and you're below 1,000 followers. What are you waiting for? With just 1,000 naira, you can get your followers. Like you can just reach up to 1,000 followers. So why sleeping on this opportunity? This is the ad I did on 22nd of December 2024. I just have to like test run the whole ad thing. I said, okay, I just want views. Like I just want 4,000 views on my video. Guys, this is the result. This thing that you are seeing here is actually what I generated using the TikTok ads. With 1,000 naira, I was able to get 4,000 views on my TikTok ads. And you're still there. You're still there. See, this is one secret that some of your influencers are not telling you on TikTok because they are heavily promoting their views, they are heavily promoting their account for their followers to grow. I've tried the TikTok views and it worked perfectly for me. I used 1,000 naira to get 4,000 views. Now, how many followers can I actually get with TikTok ads? If you're a business owner, this is another opportunity for you to massively generate sales. See, this is January and people are crying they don't have money. Trust me that people are still buying. So with TikTok ads, you are still going to sell. Now let's quickly dive into how you can effectively, efficiently grow your TikTok followers and make massive plus sales on your business using the TikTok ads. All right. My name is Maya Arian. We all know what this channel is all about. This channel is all about dishing out whatever it is that adds value. As long as it adds value, trust me, I'm going to put it out there. Now, if you have not clicked on the subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Huh? Please, I'm begging you, click on the subscribe button to subscribe. And to all my returning subscribers, oh my God, you guys, thank you so much. Guess what? We are at 371 subscribers as at 5th of December. Gonna do well. Let's quickly dive into what today's video is all about. Click on this TikTok studio and your TikTok studio is going to open and then you go over to promote. So what do I want? I want more followers. Okay, so like I don't want to use this video. I'm going to click on, okay, let me show you what you're going to click on. You're going to click on this place, like where they said select your content. Okay, click on it and then you're going to select the contents that you want to promote. So let's say that I want to promote this particular content. Okay, then I'm going to click on promote this content, and because I want more followers, it is going to only cost me 1,000 naira. So with 1,000 naira, I'm going to get 4k followers in a day. And if I want to get 3k to 7k followers, it will cost me 1,500, and this is going to cost me this. So note that the money that you're paying is actually going to be in your account. So because I want to pay 1,000, I'm going to change it to this. So this 1,000 now is what you're paying. However, you're buying coins of 1,500. So let's just say that in total, what you're paying is 1,550. So then go over to this place and click on pay. So once you click on pay, you're going to receive a message from TikTok, okay, stating that they have approved your promotion. So that is just it. It is that simple. Now, if you want to customize this to get a better result, click on customize. So this customize is where you define your audience, right? So you click on custom, and who are the people I want them to see this video. So depending on the type of video that you're making, you can decide to choose. But for the video I'm making now is for both male and female. I'll leave it as all. So when it comes to age, I want the age to be, you know, all age. Okay. So I'm not selling clothes. So what is this all about? This is all about education, news and entertainment. People I want, people that have interest in education, people that have interest in news, people that have interest in business, people that have interest in this, people that have interest in this. Basically, all these things here is meant to be for every single person. Since I'm running an ad, so I'm going to click on all. So you're just going to click on save. Now, once you click on save, this is the amount you're going to pay. So you're going to get 3,000 to 7,000 if you're going to pay 2,300 per day. If you want to do this for sales, click on get sales. Okay, if you have a website that you want your visitors to visit, okay, you just click on this. So learn more is whatever landing page that you want your customers to use. So where they have website link, so input your website link there. You can add your website link, and then, so how do you want them to get to your landing page? Is it by using shop now, sign up, contact us, apply now, book now? You can go to see more to see a lot, donate now, download, request, a whole lot. So you can decide how you want your landing page to be like once your clients or your prospective clients click on the link for your ad. Okay, so you come over to this place and then you select the type of content that you want. So it's only when you fill the first one that you can be able to go ahead with the second one by selecting your content that you want to use. And then custom promotion is more like people that you want them to, the age gap that you want them to be the ones that will, do you understand, buy your product. Or then also the demography, do you want to choose Lagos, do you want to choose Abuja? So this is custom promotion. So after filling the first one, you will have access to the rest. Then price deduction, if you are doing a slash in your price, you can do that. Okay, so now if you want to get leads, if you want to get leads for your business, okay, you can come over to this place and click on, if you want them to send you messages to start asking you questions about your products, you can come here and click on more messages. If you want them to call you on phone, okay, you can choose call on phone, and then you input your phone number and whatever landing page that you want. And also you select your content as usual and the rest, and this will cost you just 2,300 in a day. So this is basically how you can go about using the TikTok ad. I hope this helps you.